Hello, today we're going to be making the Mother's Day gift tray. First we open the silhouette file from Helen Craft Studio, and I'm copying the one that I want from the selection. You may need to ungroup it first, and I'm pasting it into a new document. Then I'm starting to make the sides of the box. So I put 10 by 4 and then I decided maybe 10 by 3 for the height. Then I've made the bottom of the box and I'm using the centre tool to make sure that they're all centred up nicely. Then I've added the side panel, and then I've highlighted both the side panels and I've mirrored horizontally and vertically. Then added the mum on the opposite side, and I've remembered to mirror these so that mum will be the right way on the outside. Now you can see here I am making some flaps for the sides of the box so it'll be easier to stick together. Made it a little bigger to fill the page, then I'm going to start welding all those together, but first I'm going to put some blue lines for the score lines. I prefer these score lines in a different colour so I can have them at a different pressure rather than just cutting a dotted line. So there we go. Then I've started welding together all the parts behind. Next is the cutting part. So I'm loading some paper into my silhouette. I'm going to cut. And I go to the line at the top, so it means all the black lines cut and all the blue lines will be scored. Then I send to my silhouette. Now I'm just peeling it off my mat carefully, as I don't want to rip any of the nice delicate flowers. Now I'm just weeding out all the parts that I don't want. I maybe should have had my cut setting on slightly harder force. Once I'm done weeding, I start folding up all the sides and the little flaps on the side, and then I'm getting some double-sided tape and just cutting it to size so it fits on those small flaps. I peel off all those parts off the flap and then I just fold it and stick together, and that is it.